So that's how you fix your door slam on Toyota Highlander. So what I did, I just got, this is the rubbers right there. So I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna post a link below in the bottom so you guys can easily see. So just take this off, these things, the stoppers. You can remove one stopper, take it off, and then just put on the rubber right there. So when you close the door, you're not gonna hear the slamming noise. Nice and easy. That's it. You can see you can put all these stoppers in front of the rubber. So when you close the door, there's no slamming noise anymore. You can see I put all these stoppers on the doors, all 4 doors. And then when you close it, there's no slamming noise.